Hey friends, today we're going to look at Funky Forearm Stand, and if you haven't watched the tutorial video on forearm stand yet, I would highly recommend watching that first. Notice how my right fingertips are in line with my left elbow. This is going to be important when we move towards the wall. Set up with your feet touching the wall and the hands shoulder width apart. Lower your left forearm towards the earth. Place your right fingertips in line with the elbow at that same shoulder width distance. Focus on hugging the upper arm in. Begin to walk the feet up the wall and take one leg up. When you're ready, draw the knee in towards the armpit, rounding the upper back and extend it up and back. It's important to try both sides, and you might even do this drill multiple times on each side before you move on. Once you've hit your max in repetitions, come down and take a break in child's pose. I only demonstrated one, but you might do 5, 10, 20, whatever your max is. Be mindful as you set up for the other side that we want the fingertips in line with the elbow and we want to hug the upper arms in. With the legs, push through the balls of the feet and spread the toes, rounding your upper back, protracting the scapulas as you pull the knee in towards the armpit. The more engaged you are, the lighter you're going to feel. Once you've worked this drill for a while and you feel really strong, you can work towards hopping towards the posture. I'm going to do it in the middle of the room for the sake of the video, but you might do it with your back towards the wall. Notice how all I did was lean forward so that my hips stacked over my shoulders, which made my legs become light so that I was able to move into the posture with ease. It's always important to try both sides, and I'm demonstrating a slightly crazy variation, pulling the knees in towards the armpits and pressing back up. But guess what? The drill we just worked at the wall is a great way to build the strength, flexibility, and body awareness to be able to bring the knees in towards the armpits, round the upper back, and then push back up into Funky Forearm Stand. If you like the video, hit the like, share the love.